Bam! The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to the new video. And right now we're doing Reef. Why are we doing Reef? Because it's up like 10%. Also, this is like the last video of the day, so I thought let's end it with a high note. And Reef looks nice. So let's get in chart, see what's actually happening with Reef right now. So for you new guys that haven't been here before, let me just explain quickly to you what we are having on this chart right now. So basically there was this triangle going on right after a Reef, whatever this was, and then it was climbing up, got into the triangle, and now it's looking to break out of the triangle. Now, of course, this is a bull market. In bull market, we always expect the price to go on upside and not on downside. There is also a chance to go on the downside, and I've been saying if we do, we should be looking for this blue line, that's 100 moving average, to look for the support. That said, the bullishness is on upside, and you can see already today that we are actually trying to break this triangle resistance. We are above it right now. Will this hold until the daily close or not? We have to see. That said, the wick went all the way up to these targets up here. So these two tops up here created resistance. Down here, these are just wicks. They're good for triangles, but these two tops create a resistance, and that resistance we wicked up to and confirmed that there is actually a resistance up there. So this might also be some kind of a larger triangle that I'm not aware of, but I'm betting on that it's a small triangle and that it will break up here. So we'll see what's actually gonna do, but right now the fact that they actually test the resistance confirmed that this line is important and we should be watching it. That said, moving averages on the Reef are looking extremely nice. So this is 10 moving average, 20 and 50 moving average, and you can see here once it got in here how it's dance above the moving averages, right? And right now all the moving averages are actually converging in one point, and that's over here. I'm going to show you all the moving averages, how nicely they are slowly getting into this point exactly there, and right now the price is above there and is being pushed on the upside. So that's very bullish for us, and we like that a lot. That said, let's look at some indicators down here and what's actually happening. So right now the daily is sitting at 56. It was all the way down at around 45, so it's a really nice level. This is what we call rubber band index. You don't want it stretch out like over here on the top, because then it has to go back. And on the downside usually happens when you are in the bear market and stuff like that. Usually you want to keep it above these 50 levels up here, and it's gonna look good. So it's been going sideways, so it's not only normal that it's in that range. So the daily RSI rubber band index looks very nice. Also we got this bullish cross, these green histograms happening right now, and that's also bullish and helps us maybe to break this triangle. So all in all, indicators on the daily are looking very nice, and we have no problem with them. On the weekly there are no indicators, unfortunately. We have this little line that tells us that this might be actually be very bullish, because this is the rubber band index, and we just got the first line of the rubber band index, and that's sitting right now at 68, which are very low levels. Usually when you get up to the 90 levels or thereabout, that's when the parabolic move or the bubble pops. So we're gonna see that. Also on the weekly you can see the 10 moving average. We are sitting exactly on the 10 moving average right now. The 10 moving average is gonna push us out of the triangle, so that's what we're waiting for. We are waiting to be pushed out, and I'm thinking this won't take that long, because this move over here went very quickly. So once we are out of once we are all the way up here, I'm thinking we are pretty golden. That said, the first target for this is right now is at 0.078. That's exactly there. So this comes from the triangle, this is the triangle. So this line here extended actually around here comes around the 78 target, give or take. It's in the ballpark area. So we are looking for that. So what I'm gonna give you in this video is next long-term target, and this is total fantasies. This is not what is gonna do. It might actually do that. Might actually stop there or not stop there. We're gonna see, but I think it's interesting. So we're gonna look at a weekly time frame and try to draw some nice lines. Okay, we're gonna draw some nice lines over here and see maybe something like this, and we're gonna see how that looks on the daily chart, and we can see that actually maybe confirms these lines over here, something like this. Let's move there, maybe this one top, maybe this top over here, something like this, give or take. Let's see again how this looks on the weekly chart. I like it better on the on this one. Let's see this. Yeah, let's use weekly chart. So if this weekly chart is correct, then this resistance will be hit again, because the price, and it will be hit. So it will be hit around 0. If this week it goes 0. But probably it's gonna be here. If it goes up there, it's gonna be hit up here, 0.57. And this, like from the last time I checked, 1,200. That's not much. I actually calculated on the daily a lot higher. I actually calculated all the way to 17,000. So maybe in a week's time. Now this target won't actually be hit that easily, and I mean, everything that goes up gonna hit certain numbers. But if it did hit 1,770% upside and this trend line, that would mean that the price right now will go up 18 times, and that would mean that the market cap that's right now around 600 million would be around 10 billion, and that would put us right now on the coin market cap list at around 20ish place. Now that means right now, but in a few weeks when everything else booms in a month's time, this is possible because everything else goes a whole ton up, right? So will this actually happen or not? I'm actually interested in seeing it. Either way, I don't count on this target up here. What I count on is on this target here, because that's what we are looking for. This is 100% up from the current price. It was from the current price. Yeah, I probably long time since I calculated this, but it was around 90 and 100% up. That's the target for right now. That's target for right now. Thanks for watching. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out the Patreon page, Telegram channel, and all the other links down below. I think you're gonna find something interesting. Thank you. Bye bye.